So how many times can you bend over without hitting yourself in the head with your SRLs? Check this out. It's just not gonna happen. I don't know about you, but that's pretty impressive, because if you're super annoyed with your retractables constantly hitting yourself in the head and knocking your hard hat off every time you bend over, then you're going to love the FallTech 8-foot FTX cable, which is a class 2 leading edge SRL. Now, what's also great about this personal device is how lightweight it is, especially with the mini rebar hook. And besides not smacking yourself upside the head anymore, FallTech is the first to introduce field replaceable leading edge retractables, also seen on the FTX Edge Core. So if one of these little guys gets damaged or doesn't pass an inspection, the retractable can be replaced in seconds at your job site. This will save you a lot of time and money by not having to throw the entire unit away or wait for a repair center. Now, even though the retractable housings are small and lightweight like a donut, which obviously can increase comfort, the FTX cable can reduce the strain on your back even further. Check this out. You notice how the devices sit high and tight up against the D-ring? This is where your devices should be, because if they sit low or sag down, this can cause a lot of back stress and pain, which can inevitably slow your production down. And have you noticed how some retractables rest or press against your back all day? Well, the FTX cable also was specifically designed to hang away from your back, so you're not feeling the devices digging in and annoying you all day. And speaking of annoying, the FTX cable also reduces nuisance lockups, giving you that added freedom to move around without getting walklash or whiplash from just walking around. But wait, there's more! How could this get any better, right? Listen, you know how most personal devices are limited to workers weighing up to 310 pounds after they're all tooled up, of course? The FTX cable has an extended weight capacity of up to 420 pounds. So this really makes the FTX cable a one and done device for all your workers. That's pretty damn convenient. And since this is a leading edge class 2 device, it's ANSI compliant no matter where you tie off. Is that all? Maybe, but you'll have to try the FallTech 8-foot FTX cable for yourself to find out. Go to falltech.com for more details and request a demonstration today. But also, like, share, subscribe, share this video to somebody else who would love to hear about this great product, and I'll see you in the next one.